the customer had a problem with surfacing effluent out in the low part of the yard. The problem many times with surfacing effluent on a gravity system is biomat, which is dead bacteria cells that seals off the water to percolate through the soil. So one of the things we can do to take care of that is to put aeration in the system. So what we did, we installed a Retro-Air pump right inside here. We could pull power off of a receptacle that they had right in there, very convenient. We dug a little trench right here up to the riser. So here we have the little air diffuser, and the blue and the white little thing there is a little float to keep it going front to the bottom so that we're not stirring the solids off the bottom. And of course, beings are aerating it, we're stirring some inorganic matter around, and that likes to go off to the field, which we don't want it to. So we install one of these little filters. Now, one of the nice things about this Retro-Air, it's very quiet, you can't hardly hear it, and it pulls very little electric.